Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Smuckers Uncrustables send all their discarded crust to be made into animal feed. In the US, if you find a bald eagle feather on the ground, you need a permit to pick it up and keep it. The state vegetable of Oklahoma is the watermelon, despite the fact that it is indeed a fruit. Situs inversus is a condition in which the organs in the chest and abdomen are flipped from their normal positions. Bronze Olympic medalists are statistically happier with their placement than silver medalists. Both Motel 6 and Super 8 got their names from the original prices of their rooms. They charged $6 and $8.88 respectively. In 2012, Adam Sandler's comedy Jack and Jill won in every category during the Golden Raspberry Awards, an award show honoring the worst movies of the year. Broccoli, brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower all come from the same plant. 38% of people trust Wikipedia more than their own government. The first fire alarms were actually farm animals such as geese used by farmers for the sole purpose of making noise when a fire arose. 78% of the stars you can see in the sky are already dead. There is a small species of monkey that live on the small island of Bohol in the Philippines who have developed a mutant gene which allows them to breathe underwater for short amounts of time. The slogan "Eat More Chicken" was made by an illiterate farmer who hated chickens. Umbrellas are more dangerous than toasters based on injuries per year. There are over 36 million stop signs in the US, but only 4 go signs. On average, 14 people die in traumatic billiards incidents every year. An extensive 4-year survey conducted by the University of Cornell showed that 45% of people prefer seafood over other types of food. They concluded that seafood is by far the most favored type of food in the US. Surprisingly, during a thunderstorm, it is actually safer to be in a plane than in a car. A new state of matter exists and it is known as time crystals. Created in the lab, the outrageously hard to grasp time crystals are structures that repeat periodically in time rather than space, potentially defying the laws of physics. Several studies show that dogs actually don't like belly rubs, they only do it because they think humans enjoy it. Facebook, Messenger, and WhatsApp handle 60 billion messages a day. Emus can't walk backwards. India is home to over 200 million cows. 7 of the rarest animals in India. Deers don't like hay. When a man first approaches a woman, she will base 55% of her initial impression on him, on his appearance and body language, 38% on his style of speaking, and 7% on what he actually says. Camels are born without humps. The first brain surgery took place more than 7,000 years ago and it's reported to be successful. Babies are always born with blue eyes. The melanin in a newborn's eyes often needs time after birth to be fully deposited or to be darkened by exposure to ultraviolet light, later revealing the baby's true eye color. Classes have been taught at Oxford University since 1096. Escalators have been around since 1859, but they were called rotating stairs. The average hen lays 228 eggs every year. Contact lenses, which were thought of in 1508, were successfully made in 1888. Flies always launch backwards for a quick getaway. Beethoven never knew how to multiply or divide. Chewing a gum increases blood flow to the brain, improves heart rate and blood pressure. It also has a calming stress reducing psychological effect which improves the concentration and performance of the players. In short, it enables players to run faster and jump higher. Birthdays don't make you feel older. What makes you feel older is signing up for a new account on a website and scrolling further and further down each time to find your birth year. Some people worry that plants in the bedroom will cause carbon dioxide poisoning, but this is an urban myth. Yes, it's true that when you turn off the light, the plant releases CO2. Top 5 countries with highest life expectancy of people. Macau, Singapore, Switzerland, Hong Kong, Japan, Thanks for watching.